guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into the video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam. Bam! Hey you guys, today's video is going to be showing you how I mix my oils. If you're running out of your growth oil, I will have that video linked down below for you. That's the bottle in the middle, the jar in the middle. If you're running out of this oil and you've made fenugreek oil or hibiscus oil, I'm going to just show you how I stretch my growth oil just to get a little bit more months out of it if I'm not trying to go and rebuy like the bag for the ingredients and all the different ingredients that you see that's clumped down at the bottom. You guys, this is still good stuff. Do not throw this away because your oil has run out. So I have fenugreek seed oil, which that's what this is. This is fenugreek powder oil. So if you want to see how I make this oil, just check the description box down below. And I also have a hibiscus powdered oil that I make, and I will have that video also linked down in the description box for you guys. And this is about a cup of fenugreek oil. So if you want to see how I make that, once again, just check the description box. But I literally just pour my leftover fenugreek seed oil into the jar of my hair growth oil, and then I also take the hibiscus oil, which is another cup and a half of oil, and I pour that right into the jar of the hair growth oil, you guys. So after I pour both of the hibiscus and fenugreek oil into the main jar, I get olive oil and pour about another 2 cups of olive oil in there just to kind of dilute it a little bit and to add more oil to the jar, because I need the jar to be a little bit more filled and not so concentrated. So I'm just going to dilute it just a little bit with a great rich oil, which is olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, but I love olive oil. So like I said, I'm going to add another 2 cups into my growth oil jar, give that a really good shake, and then I'm going to let these ingredients marinate together for probably another week. The hibiscus oil and the fenugreek oil has already been marinating for a month by itself. And if I feel like I want to just dip my fingers in fenugreek and rub my scalp, or hibiscus and rub my scalp, that's what I was doing with the oil. But I was starting to accumulate too many jars. So I was just like, hey, my hair growth oil is running out. I might as well should just kind of refill it. And what better way to do that than adding all the oils into one. This jar had a little bit of fenugreek in there and a little bit of hibiscus in my original recipe, so it didn't do any harm. This is just really reusing my oil so that I could have more space and not throw good herbs away, you guys. Like, you can most definitely mix all of your herbs and oils into one jar, and it'll just have so many great benefits for you. So I really hope you guys like this. Just to give you an update of what I'm doing with my hair growth oil, this is my second time refilling my oil. So yeah, guys, I have a lot of videos down below that I will link of how I use this growth oil. If you try this, please leave comments down below and give me a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.